What's going on, guys? I'm gonna be making this video because I'm thinking about maybe selling the 2003 Twin Turbo Cobra that I have. Gonna be a detailed description of what's in the car, full breakdown, so that way potential buyers can watch the whole video and understand what they're buying instead of calling me and spending an hour talking about it. Anyways, 2003 Cobra, mint condition. Let's start with the body. Paint on there is pretty much perfect. Do a little walk around. Carbon fiber hood, painted. Carbon fiber trunk lid, also painted. We got some Weld Racing wheels wrapped around a 295 Hoosier. Super nice tire. Really thick tire also. 295 Hoosier is about an inch wider than the 295 Mickey Thompson. We got also Weld Racing front wheels with a Hoosier street radial. The wheel and the tire weighs about 15 pounds. High dollar, really nice piece. We got white Venom, black powder coated, all three Cobra calipers. The white Venom is not a sticker, it's actually all powder coated on there. And I don't know if you could see, but the rear calipers are also powder coated black. Yeah, can't really see. They're right there. But anyway, Brembo cross cut rotors, all four. So let's get in the car. All the plastics, all the trim, perfect condition. This right here is not a sticker. It's actually one of my buddies. He took the OEM pieces and laid real carbon fiber over them, then clear coated it, so it actually looks pretty fucking awesome. These are all aluminum, and I got them anodized black for the real nice clean look. Yeah. Carbon fiber. We got the AEM boost controller right here. That's the water temperature motor. Boost controller. Boost gauge. Corbo black suede bucket seats. Really nice seats, comfortable. I think they're called FX1 something. We got a rear delete. Again, everything black, anodized, carbon fiber. Perfect interior. It'll obviously come with the tuner. This is a dyno sheet of low boost. Probably like, I think it was 16 pounds. Come on, focus. some nice numbers. Let's get in here. Okay. All right. While I'm in here, just show you how to drive this thing. So there's an automatic in the car. It's Freddie Brown 3-speed AOD. Absolutely amazing transmission. We're in neutral. We're in park right now. Okay. First step, reverse. Reverse will not engage until you press this button right here. Press, hold it, reverse engages. Neutral. Third gear. Press the button. Second gear, first gear. While racing, trans brake, same button. First gear, hold the trans brake down. It engages. And you launch the car with however RPMs you want. Stupid fast upshifts. Instantaneous. As soon as you click that thing in there, it's in second gear. Third gear, push the button down. Again, third gear. And third gear ends at about 160 miles an hour. Beautiful thing about this transmission is overdrive. You're in third gear, you're on the highway, cruising, over 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. You push this button again, engages overdrive, drops 1,000 RPMs. It is absolutely amazing. Just cruising this car is unbelievable. And it's got air conditioning also, but we'll get into that later. So also, same seats on the passenger side. Sorry guys, it's a little dark. Good instrument cluster here. Let's fucking turn this shit on. So you guys could see the mileage on the body. $23,000 original miles on this car. Oh, on the body. Let's get out of here. Let's start with what's under the hood. Hood pins. Pain in the ass getting these things off. Come on. Jesus Christ. Oh. Be like a little beam of light. Oh, would you look at that? Didn't know it was twin turbo. Anyways, now where do I begin with the build? That's a tough one. I guess let's do things different. Let's start with the rear. Start with the rear of the car. I'm also going to be posting a bunch of pictures up wherever it is on the forums or wherever it may be that I'm going to sell this car. Here's the trunk. It's got a ridiculous amount of space in there. Obviously, battery relocated. Carbon fiber. Again, lightweight. So, let's begin. IRS. Fully built IRS in this car. All the rubber bushings, everything is replaced with the Maxim Motorsport grip box kit. Everything is hard urethane and aluminum or straight aluminum. The IRS is bolted down completely now. There is no movement, no wheel hop, nothing. It is deadlocked in there, which makes it, really, really nice, because the solid rear ends, they just fucking suck on the street. Stage 5 plus. Drive shaft shop, axles. The whole assembly they got. Brand new. 355 gears. Brand new. Stock 03 Cobra translock. New diff. Brand new cover on the basket. Suspension in the rear. QA1s, dual adjustable with stock springs. Works unbelievably well for traction. Connecting to the transmission is a carbon fiber drive shaft. Beautiful piece. Superbly done. Loved it. Got my hands on it. Transmission, like I said, Freddie Brown's AOD 3-speed. Brand spanking new. Brand new. Got maybe 100 miles on it since I got the car back. I broke the motor in it last year. Got the whole fucking thing rebuilt. A lot of things on the car are going to be brand spanking new. And I got the car maybe 3 days ago. So, brand new transmission from Freddie Brown, installed by Freddie Brown. Holds about 1,300 horsepower. Pretty much I told him, build me the baddest piece you can. And that's what he did. Custom Pro Torque converter. One of their nice high dollar pieces. I think it was $2,200. Custom made specifically for this car. One of the nicest pieces you can buy from Pro Torque. And now connecting to that, brand new engine. That's right, brand spanking new. It's got fucking no miles on it. I didn't even break it in. I don't know if I will break it in, but we'll see. Whew, okay. Motor, short block, built by DSS. Baddest piece you could get, 5-liter stroker, iron block, because we're pushing some serious boost through it. Can't get aluminum. I already learned my lesson. My other motor was aluminum, and well, that thing broke. So now we got a more nicer, badder motor. DSS built it. Again, I told DSS, build me the baddest 5-liter you got, throw everything in it, and that's exactly what they did. Heads on it are CNC ported, Manley valves, stage 3 cop cams, springs are shimmed as well. Motor is stupid responsive. Connecting to this beautiful custom sheet metal anodized black by MMR intake manifold. Absolutely gorgeous piece, and it moves so much air, it is ridiculous. And like I said, motor brand new, not even broken in yet. I'm thinking about whether I should break it in or maybe let the new owner break it in, because you know, if I do break this motor in and I go put some boost through it, you know, make probably like 730, 750 at the wheel on low boost, like 12, 13 pounds, pump gas. Probably not going to want to sell the car anymore. It's going to, this car is ridiculously fun to drive. Now, let's see, what else? Okay, front suspension. We got, don't remember the name. It's a chromoly tubular K-member with the control arms and everything. It is the lightest, nicest piece you could buy. It's From what I remember, it's probably the most expensive also. It's awesome. We got Maxim Motorsports cast camber plates. We got Maxim Motorsports coilovers. I don't know if you can see them. Yep, they're right there. Yep. Maxim Motorsports coilovers. Front shocks, front struts are strange single adjustable. So, okay, now fuel system. We got full return style on this car. Full return style, dual 4A hat, billet. It's a really nice piece. Pumps are Walbro 465s, I believe. Monster fucking pumps. Got 2 of those bitches on there. The pumps are inside the tank, so it makes really minimal noise. You could only hear it when the car's off. You start up the car, you don't hear them at all. It's really nice than the external units. 80-pound injectors, MMR fuel rails right there. Everything's blacked out, so sorry, you might not see it right there. All the lines in this car, all of them are black braided line. Everything's black braided line, from the coolant to the oil to the fuel. Everything is black braided line. Ooh, let's see what else we got. No, that's the powder coated. So I think that's it for the motor. Fuel system, we got that covered. And all right, let's move on to the turbo setup. It's a twin turbo setup. Forward facing headers. Headers go right into here. The turbos are right there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but one of the turbos are right there. Well, fuck this. You're gonna see the pictures. Anyway, all right. So, forward-facing header, turbos bolt right onto the header. We got precision 58 millimeter turbos. Baddest ones they build for the 58 category. I think it was ceramic double ball bearing, lightweight wheel. Yeah, I mean, nicest 58 millimeter turbos you could buy, and they're also brand new, both of them. Now, let's get into 3-inch on the cold side, 3-inch on the hot side. Piping, all the piping is ceramic coated black, so keeps the heat down. 50 millimeter tile blower valves. There those bad boys are on the intercooler. There's the intercooler. They're right there. 39 millimeter precision wastegates. Yeah, and that's it. And it's straight back to the exhaust. Also 3-inch. So all the piping is 3-inch. Okay, so I think that's it. So, car is an absolute monster. It weighs 3,300 pounds as it sits. It's a suspension set up on it by my chassis guy. This thing hooks and goes. Horsepower to be expected out of this would be low boost, like I said, 700s. If you want to turn it up to 1,000, that'll be like 25 pounds, 25 pounds. And that's obviously going to be on C16 race gas. But this car I built to be a street car. It is a comfortable driving street car. It handles well. It does not overheat. You could sit in traffic. You could take long trips in it. It does not matter what you do with it. It will handle it without a problem. Driving it around town, whatever you want. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'll post this video up, you know, wherever I might post the car for sale if I do decide to sell it. But and I'll figure it out whether I want to break this thing in or not, because, you know, I highly doubt somebody in New York is actually going to buy this car. So, you know, if it's going to be in a different climate area with different air, you're going to have to retune this thing anyway, you know, because you can't, you know, if it's tuned for New York air, can't be in Florida or Cali or Texas or wherever you're at and expect the motor and everything to stay together, because everything's different over there. So whoever buys this is most likely going to have to tweak the tune a little bit so it suits your air. And yeah, that's it. Car, absolutely gorgeous. You know, driving this thing around, I drove it back from the shop. I probably got like 20 thumbs up. people taking their phones out, taking pictures, videotaping. It's pretty crazy. And I don't know, I guess the new generation just doesn't know what this car is, because I had like 2 people ask me, is that one of those 2016 new edition Mustangs? I'm like, wait, are you crazy? No, it's not. It's a 2003 Cobra. I'm like, are you serious? So it's pretty cool. You know, like I said, driving it, it's just a blast. Not right now. Right now, driving it is absolute horror, because it's torture. You can't put boost through the motor. You got to baby it because you got to break the thing in. Oh my God, it's the worst experience possible when you know you have stupid amounts of horsepower and one of the fastest cars out there. It's tough, man. I got to be honest. It is tough. Can't do shit. It's horrible. What do I need to do? Let's start this bitch up so you guys could hear it. Oh, make sure we're in neutral or park. There we go. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but that's the fuel system engaging. This car passes inspection perfectly fine. Runs great. Got no check engine lights, no nothing. Worried about having a very badass sounding car, you don't worry about it in this. Just the sound alone will break necks. For a stupid built motor like this, it runs ridiculously quiet. So yeah, that's the beast. For any further questions, I'm gonna post my number on, like I said, wherever it is, the forums or wherever I post this car for sale. You're welcome to call me, talk to me about it if you like. It's a nice pairing. Except this thing's driving me crazy because it's got no boost. Boost? No boost. I need boost in my life, so this car is it. And yeah, reason for selling it, I don't even know. I guess, I don't know. It's just I spent a ridiculous amount of money on this car. Everything is brand new in it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's time, maybe it's not. Who knows? I'll put it up for sale. I'll see what happens. But something tells me it's not going to stay in my possession very long, if indeed I do put it up for sale. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, if you got any further questions, you could always call me. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day.